Hey everybody, so here we are in a tech room in a new home, and yes, it's an absolute mess in here. But I can say this, over the summer, I started to have a real issue in here with this dang floor. You walk through the tech room, that floor would let anybody else know that you're there. When I'm doing I guess we can call it a professional YouTube channel. Here I'm walking through the tech room, grabbing computer parts and things, and hear the floor just creaking away. Here's some sound clips from Q Computer Channel. Hear my freaking creaky floor in this room. Gets on my nerves sometimes. So as you can imagine, I was getting quite fed up with it. I tried a couple of things actually. Well, the first thing I did try was, you can't really even see it. It's a good thing there's a carpet in here. I took some deck screws and located the floor joists and put some screws down into the subfloor to try to make sure that the OSB is well secured to the tube A that's below it, the floor joist. Did nothing. And it just seemed, as the noise, as you started to really notice it, it just seemed like it was getting worse and worse and worse. I looked back at some older computer tech videos I posted back in the spring, and the floor was hardly making any noise at all. But I did recall making a little bit of noise when I was moving stuff in here. But yeah, it was getting pretty bad, as you heard in those sound clips. You notice I'm walking through here, the floor is as quiet as can be. I'm going to show you how I fixed it. So, this is a double wide manufactured home. Really, to be honest, this double wide is built more like a modular. I mean, material wise. It's a late 80s double wide, but the frame under the house, it's typical manufactured home. It's like just about any double wide or single wide mobile / manufactured home. So let's go under the house and let me show you how I fixed this problem. Okay guys, so let's go under the home and let me show you how freaking easy what this was to fix. I'm telling you guys, it's like 11 o'clock right now. Because you know, this is the time of the day people actually go into the house and fix stuff. Well, at least I do. But so to be honest guys, I've been thinking about this all day. I've been thinking about it kind of all weekend, because I've been doing a lot of computer work over the past weekend, and I'm telling you guys, that floor, it was really starting to tick me off. So anyways, here we are under the home. It's your typical double wide manufactured home. The two halves are laid together at the center. So, try to go in here with the camera. Hopefully this goes okay. Hopefully I don't mess my camera up. But, I just want to show you guys. So, the tech room is right over in that area. So, here we are at the halfway point. You may be able to see this, like you can see where these two joists meet up. Let's show you something on the frame here. So, typical manufactured home. Section has two I-beams running down the center, and you can see right there, there's a lag bolt. It looks like every other floor joist, because these floor joists are 16 inches on center. Every other floor joist, there is a lag bolt. It's a 1/2 inch socket that you'll need on a ratchet. So we'll go over here. This is right where the back door is to the tech room. So this home For those who don't know, this home was actually moved to this property last year. Yeah, not many manufactured homes, at least double wides, get broken back into two and moved, but this one did. So here we are under the tech room, right where the back door is. This home has 3 back doors, and lo and behold, there's a lag bolt right there. So what I did is I took the ratchet, again 1/2 inch, got it on there and snugged it up. It actually turned about a 1/2 turn. If it's already nice and tight, then say you're good. But this one here was definitely a bit it wasn't super loose, but it definitely turned quite a bit. I mean, 1/2 turn, that's kind of significant. So again, this home, I guess that's something that can happen when you move a manufactured home, especially one that was at the age of 33 years old when it was moved. And that's something that can happen, is when it gets moved a good little ways down the highway. This thing did see an interstate on its journey here. I guess what can happen is sometimes those joists or these lags can loosen up a little bit. That's what happened here. This thing, of course, was moved in here last year, and I guess with me moving my stuff in, of course, the tech room does have some weight in it. I mean, all the computers and the tables and everything. I guess what happened is over the course of the summer, things had settled a little bit, and this lag here was a bit loose. So, tightened it a 1/2 turn, and I was thinking for sure, oh, this ain't gonna do anything. Because my luck is the stuff they tell you on the internet never seems to work for me. We'll just say that. So that lag there was a tad bit loose, so I tightened it up just a little bit. That one there, though, got like at least a 1/2 turn till it stopped. And I'm telling you guys, I mean, it was just that simple as that. And now the floor is creaky and squeaky no more. So this home is set on a permanent foundation. It's got concrete footers that are about 2 feet deep, at least. They were big. They dug them out really deep. Lots of concrete got poured into these things. And this home has the Minuteman lateral longitudinal bracing system. That's why you don't see any like tie downs or not. This home does not have traditional tie downs. It has these braces. It has them on this corner, which is the left rear corner, and it also has a set of these on the front right corner right in the kitchen. So if you have a manufactured home, single or double wide, and you're having issues with your floor creaking, moaning, making all sorts of noise when you walk on it, give that a try. Again, 1/2 inch ratchet. Yep, 1/2 inch. Check those lags under the area where the floor is squeaking. Tighten them up a little bit. Chances are, I ain't gonna say chances are, but just maybe that will resolve your problem if you're having it. And one of the reasons why I had this home put up kind of high is makes it easier to crawl under. The single wide that was here was a freaking nightmare to crawl under. Anyways, guys, that's exactly what I did. Took me less than 10 minutes. So we went back inside and get to walk through the tech room for the first. Walk through the tech room with a quiet floor for the first time in, months at least. Because I'll be honest, I knew something was up. And I had a feeling it may have been more than just a subfloor, because I had a customer over, kind of recent, to drop off a laptop, and I was sitting right here, and he was right there, and he walked in a little bit, and I could have swore I felt the floor move just a tad bit, right in this spot. And the thing is, the floor was getting so bad, I could walk to my front desk here, and it would make noise. But the noise, noise no more. So anyways, hopefully this is helpful. And again, excuse the messy room. Kind of made it messier getting all this stuff out of the way, so that way I could deal with this. But it's what happens when you take on a bunch of computer projects at the same time. Everything gets quite a mess. The cleanup is definitely in order for sure. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.